Hello everyone, and for the first lab of the electronic devices, you're gonna work with simulations, and the tool we propose for your simulation is the TINA TI. Okay, so this document is already uploaded in e-learning, so you can try to check the manual on this document. So you can download the setup file from this link and try to install the TINA TI, which is this software. I already installed it on my PC. Okay, so you continue follow the manual in this lab. So for the first exercise, you have to design a kind of voltage divider, and the requirement for you is to convert from 5 volt to 3.3 volt. Okay, so this is we call this is the schematic of the circuit. Yes, it is very simple. We have a power source here, which is 5 volt. We use two resistors to make a kind of voltage divider circuit, and we target the voltage in the middle will be 3.3 volt. Okay, so you have to find the values of this one and this one to have the target, which is 3.3 volt. I will give you a short manual how to draw this schematic on TINA TI, and then you have to work on the rest, which is to find the value of this one and this one. Okay, we can put it here, and this one is here. I'm sorry. Okay, so we can see we have a power supply. Okay, so firstly, this is the interface of TINA TI. So we have several components here. This is the basic tab, so you can click on other tabs to see what we have for our components. Okay, we have many components. So for the first exercise, mostly they are in the basic tab. So you have the voltage supply here, so you can drag and drop it here. You have the ground. Okay, so this is the ground. So firstly you need to put the components, and then you're going to make a wire to connect these components. So we have this one, which is the resistor. Yeah, so you can right click and choose rotate to make it a better view. We have another one, right click, rotate. Okay, so we can put it here. Yeah, and we have a kind of voltage meter. It is here, the voltage meter, to put it here. And the last component is a kind of voltage pin. So you have to go to the metals tab. So you have this component at the beginning. This is the voltage pin. So you can drop and drag it here. Right click and choose rotate. Sorry. Yeah, you can drag and drop. You can choose this one to have a zoom view of your project. Okay, you do similar for this one, rotate. Okay, so we have all the components, so now we're gonna make the connection between them. So very easy, you just move your cursor to the pin and it will change the symbol, and you just drag and drop. Yeah, just drag and drop. Yeah, very easy for you to draw a circuit in TINA TI. Okay, just drag and drop. Okay, so this is our output voltage in the middle of the voltage divider circuit. Yeah, so we finish. If you want to make a better view, you can change the positions of the component, but basically this is the circuit you need to implement. Okay, so for each component you can right click and you choose the property to check. So for the voltage supply, you have the voltage value here, which is default is 5. You can change if you want. For the resistor, the value, the most important value is of course the resistance. Yeah, you can change here, but by default the value is 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so after you finish your circuit, you can go to Analysis tab and you click on the first option, which is the error checking, and to check if you have any error. Okay, so we don't have any error, so you can go to the second option by click here. Yeah, calculate nodal voltage. So you have 5 volt here and 2.5 volt at the middle because the value of two resistance are the same. So now you can try to change the value to have the three output. Okay,